Hello children, welcome to Sri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir, Temple of Learning. Now I'll ask you that what we are learning. So answer, you keep ready, be ready with your answer. I'll ask you, an offline class will start because every class, every teacher is saying that we are learning, but what we are learning here, this is my question and you have to answer me when we'll meet in offline session. So Sanskrit is the language of gods. We are very fortunate that we are here to learn this language. Though you learn this language for 2 years only, but try to do best in this, okay? But you can say proudly that, yes, this is the subject I have learned. It's not only for getting marks. The self-satisfaction, the happiness to learn something new is very, very important for a child. And you must have seen that in Sanskrit, it's very entertaining subject also. Because we are learning so many stories, we are listening, so many morals are there in this story. In the entertaining way we are learning, isn't it? So you children also be ready. Please, you prepare well in Sanskrit so that when we will meet, ma'am, I have learned this, I have learned that. With that energy I want in the children, okay? So be ready for that. And today, nothing special, but we have done this already. I'll go with letter, because letters in examination, we have 5 marks for letter. So this class, I would like to go with this letters revision, because 2 letters already we have done in the earlier classes. I don't know you have learned or not, but every class I am telling you to learn at least 5 minutes or 10 minutes as per your convenience. You sit with the subject and try to write. Writing is very good habit, you know. You can interest, anta interest pedte anta baga manam shine avutam kada. So idi kuda meer alage cheyali. So in this class again we'll revise the letters. 2 letters we have already done and 2 more letters are there in your syllabus, but I don't want to run and make you run. When we'll meet in the offline session, directly we can learn those 2 letters, but these 2 letters are very, very important for the next inter-board question. So for the intermediate board question paper is concerned, you have 5 marks for these letters. 2 letters you write and practice properly. So let's start with letter. Letter, why we write letter? Nowadays there is no use of letter because you know the answer very well. Everything we are doing in phone only, just 1 click and every message, even live videos, everything, technology, okay. So but in earlier days, the person is safe, or if a person wants to send one message to the relative or a friend, he used to write letter, no? So letter is one mean of communication in earlier days. So now postal department is there, but very rare we use it, okay? Only phone, okay, Android phone unte chal manaki inkem akkalla. So here also, but we have to learn letter. So we are learning letter. Let's start with this. So letters topic is, as I told that we have 2 letters to learn, very, very important letters. Those are Jwarartasya Virama Grahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. The previous earlier classes, already we have done this. You must have done this. You prepared note and all. If you did, I don't know you are doing or not. Very soon I'll call you and I want to know if you are learning or not. So this is the topic of the letter, the Jwarartasya Virama Grahanaya Abhyarthana Patram. Jwarartasya means, Jwar means what? Fever. You got fever and you want Viram means holiday or leave. So you are giving a requisition letter, request letter to your principal. So that is called Abhyarthana Patram. So for writing a letter, children, first on the top of the right side, we'll write the name of the place from where you are writing the letter. That is Raja Mahendra Varam. Okay. The second thing is, you You can keep this as a first point is to write the place from where you are writing the letter. Next, dinankaha. Second point. Dinank. On which dinank means date. On which date you are writing the letter. So you write to you have to write the date, but you need not to write any particular date. You can keep 3 crosses or 4 crosses. Now, addressing. Sir Vidhe, to whom you are writing? So, Sir Vidhe means to the, in English letter we write no, to the principal, this college. So, here also like that. Sir Vidhe, Pradhana Adhyapakaha or Pranshupala. Pranshupala means, Pradhana Adhyapaka means headmaster or principal, or Pranshupala means principal. From which college principal he or she is? Prabhutva Junior Ucha Madhyamik Kalashala. Read it carefully, don't make mistakes. It's very slowly you read, okay? Prabhutva means government, okay? Prabhutva Junior Ucha Madhyamik Kalashala. Where this college is? This is in Rajamahendravaram only. Now, this is the address and the college name and the place where the college is. Now, Manyaha. We write now in English letter also we write now respected sir, so that you can tell what is the reason of your leave. So, Manyaha means respected sir or madam. Vishayaha means what is the subject, why you are writing this letter. So, Viramasya krite abhyarthana patram. Viramasya krite, for taking a leave you are writing this request letter. Viramasya krite abhyarthana patram. Sorry, abhyarthanam. Aham, now the body of the letter. What is the matter? You have to tell to your principal that why, what is the reason you want leave. So, aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram pathami. I am, in this college, I am reading first year I am reading in this college. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. Mama means mine. Swasthya means health. Samyaka nasti means it's not good. Aham jwarena pidito bhavami. I am suffering with fever. Ataha vishranti svikartum. So, for taking leave, mahyam, for me, dinatrayam, 3 days. 3 days, from when to when you have to mention, or else you can put 3 crosses. Taha paryantam, from this to this. Viramam yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. From this to these days, I am requesting you to give me leave. Sadara pranama purvakam, in very humble way I am requesting you. Mama anupasthiti samaye, when I will be absent to the class, pathyamanaan pathan mitra sakashat gyatva aham pathishyami. When I will be absent to the school, I will ask my friends whatever the syllabus and the portion, and I will read. I will complete my portion. Sadhanyavadam, thanking you. Bhavatam vidheyaha chhatraha, yours obedient student. Nama anukrama sankhya. Anukrama sankhya means roll number. From which college you belongs to? Prabhutva Junior Ucha Madhyamik Kala Shala. Where it is? It is a Raja Mahendravaram. Okay, so very easy letter. See how easy it is. But the thing is, you have to learn how to read and learn how to write. The two things only you have to do. Okay, so again let's revise it once again. So what is the topic of the letter? Jwarartasya viramagrahanaya abhyarthana patram. First, the place from where you are writing the letter. What is the place? That is Rajamahendravaram. We used to tell it Rajmandri. Huh? So, Rajamahendravaram. Second heading is Dinanka, means the date. So, in the place of date, Dinanka you have to write as a side heading, but you need not to keep any particular date. You can put 3 crosses. Now, Savidhe means to the Pradhana Adhyapakaha or Pranshupalaha, Prabhutva Junior Ucha Madhyamik Kalashala, Raja Mahendravaram. Manyaha. Now Now Vishay. Viramasya krite abhyarthana patram. Viram means leave. Aham asmin kalashalayam prathama samvatsaram means first year pathami. I am reading first year in this college. Mama swasthyam samyak nasti. My health is not good. Aham jwarena pidito bhavami. I am suffering with fever. Ataha vishranti svikartum mahyam dinatrayam. Ataha, so for taking rest, I want leave for 3 days. That is from this to this. You need not to mention date. Viramam yachantu iti sadara pranama purvakam vigyapayami. Mama anupasthiti samaye पाठ्यमानान पाठान मित्र सकशात ज्ञात्वा अहम पठिष्यामि. स धन्यवादम means thanking you. Bhavatam vidheyah छात्रः नाम means name. अनुक्रम संख्या means roll number. प्रभुत्व जूनियर उच्च माध्यमिक कलाशाला राजमहेंद्रवरम. Okay, this is your first letter. So in Hindi also we write the same thing like this. In 10th class you have learned how to write letter. You must know how to write letter. So very easy. So for easily learning, what I will suggest you that first you write this portion, you learn this portion. After completing this, you go for this here to here. Next Vishayah. Next, body of the letter is little big, so you have to practice this properly. Next, Sir Dhanyavadam, and this is the one part of the letter. Okay, so how many parts? 3, and here 4, and this is 5 and 6. You divide your letter in 6 parts so that it will be easy to prepare. This is your letter. Be prepared with your letter. I'll take test when offline class will start. I hope it will start soon. That's it. So let's go. I hope you understood. You practice. Please make a note and let's go for next letter. Here is our another letter, Patra Lekhanam. Okay. So now the previous letter's topic was Jwarartasya Viramagrahanaya Abhyarthanam or Abhyarthan Patram. So here Pustaka Preshana Vishaye Patram. Pustak means books. Preshana Vishaya, sending the book. It is a requisition letter to the bookseller or publisher. So here you want some books from publisher. So you are giving him a list and number of books, how many books you want from that particular subject or author's name you have to mention. Let's start again. Kadapa. This boy is writing from Kadapa. Okay. So Kadapa, the name of the place from where you are writing the letter. Next, what will write? You tell me. I won't show you. This is Dinanka. Okay. Dinanka means name. Sorry. Dinanka means date. Sorry. So for Dinanka, you need to put 3 crosses or 4 crosses. Ala ani cheppi line ga cross pettukoddu. 2 3 chalu. 3 4 chalu. So Dinanka means this. Now serve vidhe to the Manya Sanchalakaha Saraswati Vidya Prakashan Vijaya Vatika. Manya Sanchalakaha means respected editor. Saraswati, from which publications he belongs to? Saraswati Vidya Prakashan. This Saraswati Vidya Prakashan, where it is? You have to mention the city, no, so that letter can reach. That is Vijayavatika. Vijayavatika means Vijayawada. Manam Vijayawada antam. Now Manyaha means respected sir. Bhavadbhihi prakashiteshu adho nirdisthani. Adho nirdisthani means given below list. Adho means niche, kinda, down. Nirdisthani, given below list is there. So you please send these books to our address. Bhavadbhihi prakashiteshu, from your publications. Below list is there. Pustakani maya yatha nirdishtam apekshayante. As I have written or directed, I want these books. How I want? So first we have to make a table for this. So first Kram Sankhya means serial number. See, this is how systematic way of presentation. Everything is clear. He won't be any doubt by seeing this letter. He'll pack the books fast and he'll send you. Okay. So first is Krama Sankhya. So Krama Sankhya means serial number. Number 1, first book, what? Pustaka Nama. What is the book name? Kumara Sambhava. Okay. Kumar Sambhava, I know you all know that what is Kumar Sambhava. I'll ask you later. Kavi, Kalidasaha. How many Prataya means copies from this book? He is the author or poet. How many copies you want? You want 5 copies of Kumar Sambhava. Okay. Next is second serial number 2, Srimad Ramayana, written by Valmiki. How many copies you want? You want 4 copies of this. Now, third is Panchatantram. I know, I needn't tell about Panchatantra. You all know what is Panchatantra. Because in ETV it is there, no? And every Sunday by 9 o'clock you sit in front of TV and you can watch Panchatantra. Panchatantra written by Vishnu Sharma. Vishnu Sharma is one of the writer who tried to learn of students. He tried to make the students learn the moral values by presenting that he tried that the person should understand, person should know and learn the values. So he tried to write the story, moral value stories in the animals by taking animals as a the main character, so that it should be interesting and the children should listen it very interesting. Animals unte interest ga vintam kada manusulu unte kante. So Vishnu Sharma appadlo ayana ala aloచింcharu. Panchatantram Vishnu Sharma 6 copies, and Bhartuhari Subhashitani, these are shlokas written by Bhartuhari. He want 3 copies only. Panchatantram 6 he want, but so Bhartuhari Subhashitani only 3. Okay, I told no, children are very they love stories, especially when the stories are presenting in the in front of them, that animals are interacting with them. It is very interesting for them, and even you people are also very interesting. But better if you go for stories other than watching these films and movies. Nowadays movies are there, please don't watch those. It's my suggestion. Okay. Kripaya etani pustakan VPP द्वारा अधोसूचितं प्रति प्रेषयन्तु. Kripaya means please. Etani pustakan, these books, VPP dwara adhosuchitam means down I have given the address. Adhosuchitam means as it is written in down. You please send these books. Sadhanyavadam. Bhavadiya or Bhavadiyaha means yours. Nama, again name. Griha Sankhya means your house number. And where your house, the colony is Gandhi Road, and where is this Gandhi Road is in Kadapa. Address rastane kada books veltai. So first, so you need to write your address. Children, it's not too tough, you know. First, already you know how to write letters because you have learned these letters from, you have been learning these letters from 6th class. You are writing letters. This is one another letter. So difference is you are writing this letter in Sanskrit, that's it. So everything is same, no? So here again we'll revise. Patra Lekhanam Pustaka Preshana Vishaye Patram. So first we need to write the place from where you are writing the letter, and the second is Dinankaha. Now Savidhe Manya Sanchalakaha Saraswati Vidya Prakashan Vijayavatika Manyaha Bhavadbhihi Prakashiteshu Adho Nirdisthani. Adho means niche, down. Nirdisthani, directed, as we have directed the books, name of the books, writer of the book, and how many copies, how we have directed. Please see this list and send us the books. So Bhavadbhihi Prakashiteshu, these books which are published by you. We want some books, and number of books are given below. So bhavidbhihi prakashiteshu adho nirdisthani pustakani maya yatha nirdhistham apekshayante. We want these books as we have mentioned below. So first Kram Sankhya 1, Kumara Sambhava, written by Kavihi Kalidasaha, Pratayaha. How many copies? 5. Again, second, Srimad Ramayanam, Valmikihi, 4 books we want. Panchatantram, Vishnu Sharma, 6 books we want. And the 4th one is Bhartuhari Subhashitani. These Bhartuhari Subhashitani all are shlokas. Okay. So written by Bhartuhari, we learn, we have there, and Bhartuhari Subhashitani is there in our syllabus. We'll learn. Bhartuhari Subhashitani, written by Bhartuhari, 3 copies we want. So after preparing this list, this column, we'll write Kripaya, means kindly, Etani Pustakan, VPP Dwara, Adho Suchitam Prati Preshayantu. Adho Suchitam means we have given our address below. Please send these books accordingly. So, Sir Dhanyavadam, Bhavadiyaha or Bhavadiya Nama. Means you need not to write your name, just in front of Nam you can put 3 crosses. So, Griha Sankhya, your house number, and where your house, that is Gandhi Road. This Gandhi Road is in Kadapa. So this is your address. So you have to mention your address so that he can send books and you can read and enjoy the books. Okay. So these 2 letters you have to prepare, children. So now what I tell you is, till now in Padya Bhaga we have done 2 lessons we have completed. So Padya Bhaga 2 lessons are very important, and I also told you what to learn from those lessons. In 2 lessons, first 2 lessons you have to learn this essay answer, means summary of the lesson. You have to prepare well. 2 marks question, 1 mark question. First 2 lessons from Padya Bhaga I am talking about. Lessons, annotations,